A practical guide to maintaining eye health. There are several things you can do to keep your eyes healthy, such as: give your eyes regular rest. The eyes need rest from prolonged activities such as working at a computer or reading. The way to do this is to pause every 20 minutes and focus on distant objects for 20 seconds. Using the right glasses or contact lenses. If you need glasses or contact lenses, be sure to choose the ones that suit your needs and use them regularly. Protects eyes from ultraviolet UV rays. As previously mentioned, UV rays from the sun can cause damage to the eyes. Therefore, use sunglasses or hats that protect your eyes from UV rays when you are outdoors. Take care of overall body health. Good physical health can have a positive impact on eye health. Strive to eat healthy and nutritious food. Exercise regularly, get enough sleep, and avoid smoking. Keeps eyes moist. Eyes need moisture to stay healthy. Use eye drops or eye cream recommended by an ophthalmologist if you feel your eyes are too dry. Regular eye exams. As mentioned earlier, regular eye exams with an ophthalmologist can help identify conditions that require treatment. In maintaining eye health, it is important to remember that prevention is better than cure. Therefore, do these actions regularly and consistently to maintain the health of your eyes. If you experience symptoms that worry you, consult an eye doctor immediately to get the right treatment. In addition to these tips, there are several other things you can do to care for your eyes to keep them healthy, such as: avoid using gadgets for too long. Using gadgets such as smartphones, tablets, or laptops can cause eyes to become tired and dry. Use gadgets wisely and pause every 20 to 30 minutes to give your eyes a rest. Clean your eyes properly. Cleaning your eyes properly can help remove dirt and bacteria that can cause eye irritation and infection. Use clean cotton and warm water to clean your eyes. And avoid rubbing your eyes harshly. Avoid using eye drops without a doctor's prescription. Over-the-counter eye drops can cause adverse side effects if used incorrectly. Consult the use of eye drops with an eye doctor before using them. Avoiding wearing contact lenses while sleeping. Wearing contact lenses while sleeping can cause serious eye infections. Do not sleep with contact lenses, and be sure to clean contact lenses properly before use. Choose foods that are good for the eyes. Foods that are rich in nutrients such as vitamins A, C, E, and omega-3 can help maintain healthy eyes. Eat foods such as carrots, spinach, nuts, and fish to keep your eyes healthy. Those are some tips and ways to take care of your eyes to keep them healthy. Remember that maintaining eye health is an important part of maintaining overall body health. Do these things regularly and consistently to maintain the health of your eyes.